Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetics YouTube channel. I hope you liked our whole series that is all about Java tutorials. So in the last two videos, we have discussed about Java basic, Java terminologies, and the life cycle of a Java program, and of course Java history, introduction to Java as well. Okay, so till now, if you have any type of doubt, then please do comment it out so we can sort it out over there. Okay, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel and do press like button so that we you can encourage us to make these type of videos as well. So let's start. In this video we are going to see that how to install Java in your system. So you need to do just write Java download on Google search. Okay, after that, as I mentioned earlier, Java is owned by Oracle, and of course, Java will be available at Oracle website, right? Then there are, if you have Linux machine or Mac OS or Windows, if you have any type of machine, then you can choose whatever the installer you want to like or whatever the OS you have. As per on the basis of that OS, you can download the installer. Okay, now I want to download this one. Okay, X64 and this one. I have already downloaded, so I just want to show you. Okay, see, I have this JDK 19 Windows X. I want to open this. See, this computer is asking to me to change your device. Okay, then just click on the yes. After that, it will prepare to install. Then next, okay, it takes some 1 minute or less than 1 minute to install the Java. Okay, Java is installed in our system. How can we check? Window plus R, then CMD. On command prompt, we can check Java dash dash S version. Is Java installed in our system? Yeah, definitely. Java version 19.01 is available in our system. Java. Okay, this is all Java related docs that you can get to know about Java. Okay. Then next thing what to do? Next thing we need to set environment variable for any type of language. Okay. But for this we need to yeah, for this we need to put for Java, right? Then search in the search box environment variable. Added the system environment variables. Then you need to click on the environment variable. Okay. And then you need to click on path, then edit, then new. Okay, now what path you need to put here? Just go on the my computer or this PC, then local disk C, program file C, program files, Java JDK 19, and then bin. Copy this, copy this, and just new. Click on the new. Okay, okay, and everything is done. Now Java is installed in your system. You can run the program in your Eclipse. We will see that thing in next video for sure. Till then, see Java version is 19.01. We have set our environment variable as well. So this video is limited to Java installation. So I just want to let you know that how to install Java in your system. We will see how to run a first program in Hello World program in Eclipse. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel so that you can get lot of videos regarding Java. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.